I've had past clients contact me and ask, hey, we just had another child, or we had more grandkids. We probably need to get our documents updated and changed for this. And my answer is a little bit surprising, maybe. My name is Philip Bruce. I'm a Minnesota estate planning attorney. And when I get this question, if I drafted the document, I usually have very good news, which is you don't have to do any updates at all just because your family has expanded. And the reason is because when it comes to an estate plan, we get to override all the default rules that are out there with your rules. That's what this document is for. And when we're overriding those rules, we can define things any way we want to. So what I almost always do is I'm going to define children as being your current children, and then I'm also going to define children as any future born or adopted children. So we can do the same thing with grandkids and other descendants. So right in the document, if you're wondering if you had more kids, do I have to update my document? Am I disinheriting someone? Well, your will or your trust will probably say everything goes to my children. And then somewhere in the document, it defines children. What do we mean by that? And it probably says, I can't say this for sure, but if it's done by me, certainly, and other attorneys like me, it probably says, here's the names and dates of birth of my children, but my definition of children also includes any future born or legally adopted kids, and the same thing potentially for other descendants depending on the document. So I usually have good news for folks. You don't have to update your documents. My name is Philip Bruce. I'm an estate planning attorney here in Minnesota. Any other questions, please do reach out.